Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 Chevy Equinox LS all-wheel drive, stock number X902XX. Only 19,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Color is called Ivy Metallic. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and 5-year 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers, and family friendly with hooks in the seats for the latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear and very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LS has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjuster for the driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, with the backup camera displays, heating and air conditioning, USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. All-wheel drive lock, giving you the greatest capability in inclement weather. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Equinox is a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon and a city average of 30 on the highway, and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.